All right, awesome, awesome. All right, so I'm going to show you quickly my workflow that I built, custom workflow that I built inside of Runway. Um, it's a pretty intense system. How it works basically is I create a prompt here. This is where you feed the prompts into the system. I created a system prompt where I defined the parameters of the chatbot that I'm using, Gemini obviously, to generate the adjacent prompts. But how the system works is basically, so I gave it an identity, gave it some rules, yeah, for the output, what I need it to do, and basically I created these labels, ID 1 all the way to 9. So what happens is once I run this rig here, it will generate 9 prompts, which take into consideration my character, my environment, and my script here. Yeah, to generate 9 different shots. Yeah, and basically each of these boxes here extract one of them. So ID1 gets extracted here, ID2, ID3, and so on and so forth. Yeah. So obviously here, what do we have? A photorealistic medium shot of Marcus. Yeah. Uh, Obviously, once I press run, which also I can do a thing where it runs the whole rig and creates everything instantaneously, which is what I'd done previously to this, and generated all these images, which are consistent with my character here. Yeah, in in minutes. Look, we got some different angles, all the angles that we need. Boom, 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 boom. The whole story is there. I love this. I must admit, Runway really outdid itself with this. Like, I think this is amazing. Being able to work in nodes. So look, yeah, all the so this is actually scene two. Sorry, this is scene three, but the second series of shots in the script. I was able to do this for literally 9 scenes. Hold on, it seems that some of these failed. Try and run that one again. Oh, there's still some running, that's why. Okay, okay, it's not finished. It's still doing its job. Some of them are still running. Yeah. So, yeah, different angles. Pretty amazing. All these shots. Okay, this is a cool shot. Yeah. So, yeah, so just giving you an example of how I'm using it. Um, this was the previous scene, which was the first one I did, and how I tested it. Uh, Also, yeah, so also I got a rig up. I created a rig as well for creating the characters, for creating the character consistency. Let's have a look at it. Zoom out. Okay. Yep, so similar system. Yep, prompts here, rules here, ILM here generating all the adjacent prompts, and then extracting the prompts and generating the singular images for instantly making um, basically avatars or characters for your films, all the different angles that you possibly need, like done instantly, basically. And then also another cool thing is that all your assets go to a singular place, so you can easily view all your assets that you've just made. some angles. Yeah. Pardon me. So all these shots were generated instantly, basically. Look at all these shots. Look at that. Boom.
This Black Friday, when the world is overwhelmed, Agile Tech answers.
Hey, quick question. Does your website stress you out more than your actual job? Because same. This is Leah, a content creator just like you, doing 10 things at once and pretending it's fine. But her portfolio site? Yeah. It decided to malfunction for the 7th time this week. You know that feeling when everything collapses right when you're finally productive? But hold up. Agile Tech's Black Friday deals come in like, don't worry, I got you. VPS hosting, 70% off. Finally, stability that doesn't emotionally damage you. So if your website crashes more than your motivation, go to agiletechsolutions.co.uk. Black Friday deals are live. Go save your sanity.